So today we're in Old Folsom, and for those of you who don't know, it's like an old western town, and today we're going to be biking. If you're in the Sacramento area, there's a cool bike trail that takes you from Old Town Folsom all the way to Old Sacramento. It's about a 25-mile ride. This is a good activity to do with a group of friends. You can either start in Old Historic Folsom or Old Sac, your preference. But just to give you a heads up, it's about a 3 to 5, I'd say 6-hour ride, depending on how intense you want it to be. Now, in my second vlog, I let you know that brown people and outdoors go hand in hand. Now, this time, I want to show you. Come on, let's go. Down, y'all. We are 5 miles in out of 25 miles, 20 more to go. To share a little bit about these bike trails, like I mentioned, I'm doing 25 miles, but the cool thing is that if you're a starter, if you want to get into biking or want to give it a try, the cool thing about this bike trail in Sacramento to Folsom is that there are different starting points, so you can definitely pick and choose how long you want to bike ride and how many miles you want to go. So make sure you look into that if you want to come here. But it's a beautiful sight to do. It's a beautiful sight. It's good to do. Okay, vámonos. This is my second time doing these bike trails, so one thing that I noticed is that closer to the Folsom site, you have a lot of hills, so it's a little bit harder, it's a little bit more challenging than if you were starting from Sac. But I like it to be challenging first and then have a smooth ride halfway there. But that's my preference. Ugh. Okay, let's go. Where is it at? Okay. You see that, y'all? Look what I found. A rooster. I'm gonna do my rooster call just so it knows that this is my territory. I don't know how to do a rooster sound. Why did the rooster cross the road? I'm not pedaling! I'm not pedaling! Oh my god! Okay, so I am taking my break right now because I feel like I deserve it. So a couple things I recommend to bring with you. 16 to 30 ounces of water, whatever you prefer, whatever you think you're gonna need. I didn't bring my canteen, but since I didn't, I got myself 2 water bottles. Kirkland, Costco, if you know what's up, you know what's up. And then you definitely need something to nibble on because you're gonna get hungry. I love my little PB&J Smuckers, also from Costco, y'all. That's my favorite store, but this is a good little snack when you're being active. So I definitely recommend. I'm halfway home. That means that as of now, I've been surrounded by nature for about 3 hours. I'm surrounded by trees, large bodies of water, a large body of water. The Sacramento River, animals, turkeys, you got birds, you got hawks, you got squirrels, you got deer. There's just so much out here. I'm on the bridge. Obviously you can see I'm on the bridge, but this bridge is one of the entry points to Sac State. And to my fellow Hornets, if you ever want to go bike riding, the trails are just around the corner. growing up, I wasn't exposed to much of Mother Nature. So as I got older, I wanted to do some of that exploring myself. I hope that this video inspires some of you, if not all, to go outside, grab a bike, and just take in Mother Nature. And if you do, just know that making this video was well worth it. Besitos! We made it to Old Town Sacramento 25 miles later. I can't feel half my body. I don't know how I'm standing. Mommy, where you at? You need to pick me up. I told you you can spot a deer here. We got two.